Imagine if the X6 was matured. I don't think I am going to buy a camera until it's fully matured. I'm just saying inside out loud to the world through the camera's eyes. For a good reason. This is the Insta360 X6 with Instaframe 2.0. And no, you cannot take the X5's Instaframe 2.0 free frame selfie stick and use it to work. You can use it to hold the camera, but not to actually operate the camera. Insta360 knows what they're doing in the marketing. They know how to get you to get all the accessories once again. Hey, I'm Fish. Yeah, I got my camera because of the Instaframe 2.0 and not because of the X5's Instaframe 2.0 free frame selfie stick. But I will have to wait, and I know now if I want a remote, I'll just go get the remote and foldable selfie stick. But it's not gonna do Instaframe 2.0. I thought I'd come out, go for a bike ride, go around in a dark area for you to show you how the camera can perform, again, in a vlogger's mode type of video without doing full 360. We got the park lights. They're going to go in and out, as you can see. Towards the left in the distance, you'll see a squirrel right before the tree. More or less, that's a skunk, not a squirrel, a skunk. And I wish I had my Luna Ultra for that. Oh, am I on Zoom? I don't think so. On Zoom now. Let me get on out of here. I don't want to get sprayed. Let him get going. Go, 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 gadgets! These are cats, not skunks. I wish there was a better way of doing the field of view and slider. But white on white, I guess that works for the company. Maybe you should put a color on the slider bar that you're moving. Well, I'm a city slicker in Cement City, baby. I saw a rooster, a turkey, no cow yet, but I seen a horse, a goat, a pig, now a skunk. What else did I see? Oh, I see a lot more. A lot more, that is. Let me ride along a little further and keep this on. Because got a bike. Bike's down. Nobody around. Bikes laid all over the place. Now the last time I did this with the Fish, it's Instaframe 2.0. I keep wanting to say free frame. Every time I did this with the Instaframe 2.0, I had a little issue. It wasn't really showing me at the time. I guess I didn't get past the gyro of the camera. Well, I watched an excellent video of a gentleman, did a great job. And he talked about Instaframe 2.0 and what he should expect, and telling you what you should expect and all. And I don't think he was doing, you got it, with the actual camera. He was talking about it and he saw the selfie stick. And here we are, giving you just a little talk. I want to get up nice and high. So this way the tree branches know, the street lights, the park lights, to give you some type of look. I'm by a park light and I'm going over my bicycle and I want to go towards this beautiful plant and just simply slide the stick in. Maybe it'll give a nice look and all. Maybe you could look around, but I'm not on 360, I'm on Insta360. And in 360, I can make a video of this because that's what I got on in 8K resolution. And here I am showing you what the plant looks like. So I take a picture, I just want to pick a flower. I picked this one right here. And about 2.5 feet, 2 feet, 1 foot, and I'll get out of the light for you and get as close as I can to show you what it looks like. I hear people say, oh, I see better shots. Well, maybe you should get a camera and do a better shot. And I'm on a path that's just all broken up. It's a path that the roots get underneath the tar and lift it up. Let's get on riding, get onto a better path. Well, raindrops. Going to be on the camera lens, and it's not a good day for 360 if raindrops are hidden. Is this light reflecting and doing no justice? I have a light on the handlebar that may interfere with you, so I switched it off. Down below is a light. Hope that doesn't interfere. But the raindrops, they're gonna cause little blotching, little blurriness, all that good stuff. Well, maybe I should have taken an action camera out instead. There's a lot of shots you can get. You could do some nice low shots. Everything that I shot today is on pure video mode. The Instaframe 2.0 has pure video, and it's on. I'm enjoying the camera in ways. I don't love it, don't hate it. It's an excellent camera. But if you're brand new and you're first getting one, you don't have any other Insta360 X's, the X5, 4, 3, then you got nothing to worry about. But if you got an Insta360 X5 and you got this because you want to replace it, then you're going to worry because, oh, I got to get new ND filters. Why would I need an ND filter, Fish? Oh, you got to go get yourself a, a free frame selfie stick. Instaframe 2.0. It's not in this camera in full. I think I'd rather look at the sky than tell you that, X4, Air, and 5. You just got the camera, just enjoy that camera. Don't worry about this camera. Wait for this camera to mature. Once it matures, then you'll be good. Then decide about the camera. Don't get it now, get it when it matures. Because then, you know what's going to happen? The X7 is going to come out. You know what they're going to do? Change everything around again. I'm working all my issues and concerns out. I'm like the one that's testing for Insta360, and yeah, we're going to see anything anytime soon. You could kind of say this is the highlight of my talk, the wind. I think I'm going to stop. And I'm going to switch on off the pure video and take a picture of that sky. What a cloud formation it is. I thought I had everything set up to linear. And that's a picture of the cloud formation. It looks like a big jellyfish. The wind is kicking and the rain is coming. What does it look to you like on video mode. And I'm on 1.2x linear. It's not you, it's the camera. Pure video from 1.2 goes back to 0.07 every single time when you switch to video, Instaframe, or any other mode. It will switch back to 0.7. In Instaframe 2.0, the highest we can zoom is 1.4. All others, 1.2. Man, I'm learning that this camera could do it all. Well, let's get on out of here. Get on to where we need to be at. Take a new path, get on going. It's just lit up. I gotta go visit a bar. I gotta go talk to the gentleman. Work out a little sweet deal. 7-Eleven, no more. Now it's a two-plum restaurant. Want a gym? Harbor Freight. I went in and I tried to look for a tool and I couldn't find what I wanted, so I had to go online the other day, yesterday. Ordered. They said next day delivery. Now I gotta wait till tomorrow. Here we go. Brennan's. Ever eat there? Very, very expensive. Fast food type of food. How about Green Street? This is why I'm thinking they're gonna make opening up down the road. How about a Starbucks? Out of business. No more. What's gonna become of it? Well, I am the fish. Maybe we could hop on the bus, get where we need to be, and go have some fun. Man, that sky really looks threatening. I gotta get on going. But before I get going, I do gotta go meet up with Joe. I got some bizwax to take care of. But did you know that the extra Atto got a major update? And just maybe one thing was left out, or two, or more. It is exactly like the DJI Osmo Nano. And let me tell you, once they get that update in there, oh man, you're gonna have a matured camera, just like that. Oh man, the rain's coming. I gotta get cooking. Woo, baby, let's get cooking. Woo.